Picture this, the gym early morning. A middle-aged dad walks in, says hello to the young woman at the front desk. Then he turns to me and says, "She's my daughter. I have to say hello." "You're a good dad," I said. So on the way out, I told the young lady, "You're lucky because not everyone gets that." My dad died at 53 from addiction. My mom fought her own demons, and I've had my own, getting sober, coming out, and learning how to build a life on my own terms. But that tiny moment, a dad saying hello to his daughter, it reminded me how powerful it is when we simply show up for the ones that we love. Because sometimes that's everything. I'm curious, who's someone in your life that's always showed up for you, even in small ways? Share with me.